The sole purpose of Seattle's Union Gospel Mission is to serve, rescue, and transform
those in greatest need.
Those in greatest need.
It's something we've been doing since 1932.
It's something we'll keep doing till every homeless man, woman, and child is off the streets.
And in a stable home.
The mission offers
free shelter,
free clothes,
free food, yum,
free tutoring,
free career training,
free counseling,
servicios de traducción gratuitos,
free coffee,
good coffee,
free legal services,
free dental care,
free child care,
free toys,
free hugs,
freedom.
But most importantly,
a new life.
A new life filled with opportunities that's only made possible because of people like you volunteering to help us as we serve those in greatest need through the grace of Jesus Christ.